fighting! Oh dear, that wasn't good. That's alright, doesn't matter.
The rest of the ball.
So good! Yay! Hi ladies, so today we are playing, we are having fun. We've got balls in the ball pit. Yay! And we are having fun on the water slide with no water because Charlie finds it a bit cold. And plus it's, although it's warm and sunny, it's not like the hottest day of the year so far. So we might get a little bit of hypothermia if we have the water on. But yeah, so I'm keeping positive today. Obviously you guys have seen the other videos. I had a chemical pregnancy, still waiting to bleed. I don't know, I guess after having like 3 miscarriages you kind of get used to it. Not get used to it, but just like it's not so much of a shock and you see the signs before it actually happens. Are you two fighting? Oh dear, that wasn't good. Are you okay, Charlie? Harry, don't do that, darling, because that can hurt him.
I'm trying to fill it all up with balls.
He seems fine. So yeah, we are trying to have a lovely day today and I'm going to go to Asda later and get a whole load of chocolate and sanitary stuff with these two. It's going to be fun. I love shopping with them. Not. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep positive now because like, I just think I can't have any more children, you know. It's just really hard. It's just one of those things where it's kind of taken out of your hands and you can't really do anything about it. And I've explained to Harry, because I went to the doctor's yesterday and he was like, oh, so are you pregnant? And I was like, well, yeah, but it's like sometimes it's a positive pregnancy and sometimes it's not such a positive pregnancy. So he kind of understands, but it's not really affecting him much at the moment. Obviously Charlie doesn't understand, but yeah, this is now my 6th pregnancy and my 4th miscarriage. So it's just one of those things. I've just got to keep positive and eat loads of chocolate and just be there for my boys, really. I could just sit on the sofa and just feel really sorry for myself, but everything happens for a reason and I don't want to be one of those people that just kind of like mopes around and just kind of like feel sad all the time. It doesn't really get you anywhere and it doesn't do very well for your mental health. Hi ladies. Okay, so I am in bed, as you can see, and the reason I am in bed is because I am in a lot of pain. So if you guys watched my other videos, you will see that I had the line progression that was going like really slowly. And I kind of knew that it was a chemical, but I didn't know like 100%. Like, you know, you always Google stuff and there's always like that one, you know, positive story and you think, oh, that could be me too. And then it's like, actually, it's probably not, but you keep your hopes up anyway. So basically, it is Sunday the 22nd of April 2018 and I have started bleeding, so I am currently having a miscarriage and it's very rare for me to be on video with no eyebrows on, so you can tell literally how much pain I'm in. I don't feel well at all and I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of your lovely messages. These videos are actually out of sync, so if you guys have messaged me, and I've managed to reply to like quite a few of you just to say like thank you so much for all your positive, you know, congratulations and everything, but those videos are actually old. Those actually are like 3 days old, so by the time you get to watch the other videos or this one you're gonna realise that it's like it's been a few days. But basically we've just had a bit of a family hiccup thing, not Matt, not me, not the boys, and I couldn't announce the pregnancy so soon. But then when I knew that it was going bad, I thought I'll start putting the videos up. so at least you guys know what's going on, because I had so many people messaging me like, where's the 12 DPO video, like what's going on, like. And then I put the video up of Lily having her kittens, and everyone was like, oh, there you are, like, where have you been? And I was just like, oh god, like I can't explain to like 300 people, like, because I've just been getting like so many messages. So thank you so much for all your messages. I'm just going to kind of chill out in bed for today, and I will try and update you tomorrow. Bye ladies.